Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and make a gift basket. And I already showed you how I put this together. Look at how beautiful she looks, a little mermaid. And this is gonna be a gift basket for a teenager who's turning 17, my niece. Of course, I thought this would be great for her. I love the Little Mermaid. And not only that, she can go ahead and use this to put makeup brushes. She could put some pearls in there and some sand and then just put her makeup brushes in this container. It's pretty good. I love it, let me tell you. And I know she's gonna love it as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add a couple goodies there. The first thing that I'm going to add is this I Adore You palette. And I picked this up for $10. Originally, it was, I wanna say 20 or 30. But of course, and I actually picked it up for cheaper. So I went out when it was on sale. So you know you gotta get it as cheap as you can. So let me see if it has a mirror. I'm gonna go, no, it doesn't. Good. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the palette. And this is a Target palette and it has 20 pieces of eyeshadow. So let me see if it has, oh, there you go. It has a little thing on here to protect it. But look at, isn't this cute for a teenager? Like you can use the glitter for New Year's. And then it has a couple of just natural shades. She's going to love it. She's so into her makeup right now. She plays with her makeup, her eyeliner, her foundation, highlighter, you know, all those things. So I think this is a perfect palette. Look at the little eyelashes. And it's really pretty and it's a Target palette. So if you want to get this one for your niece or for yourself, go ahead and check out Target. They have amazing stuff. And of course, I picked this up on sale. So it is perfect for her birthday. So the way we're gonna add it onto this container, it does not fit straight on. So we're gonna add it sideways. Now don't get worried, the basket is not gonna rip. I have done a couple of these before and there's nothing wrong with putting it sideways. It's the gift that counts anyways. The next thing I picked up was from the Dollar Tree and I wanted to keep that mermaid theme going. And this one says, be a mermaid, make some waves. Isn't that adorable for $1? From the Jack collection. And it just a regular notebook and it has, I want to say 50 sheets. So that's not bad at all. We're going to go ahead and add this one in here as well. So I'm going to add this one as much as I can in there without trying to bend it. So that's perfect. So just like that. I want it to show, but I don't want it to be like, you know, over the top. So I think we're just gonna play with this. It doesn't even matter. You know how I am. I'll move it around a million times until I get it exactly how I want it. And even if it is coming out, I don't mind that bend look right there. That's cute. So bend it to the side. That's really cute. The next thing I picked up for her was from this store called 5 and Below. And this was actually not bad. It was only $3. The store is called 5 and Below, Trendy Vibes, and it says hola. And for anybody who doesn't know, that's in Spanish, or you could use, you know, however you want to say it. It says hi, hola. At least for me, I don't know, it could mean something else, like Hawaiian, I don't know. So that was not bad. For $3, I definitely picked it up. And I wanted to add it in there, so I wasn't sure how I was gonna add it. But you know, we're gonna find a way to make it add. So it has a zipper. I love the fact it has a zipper. You can add money in there if you want, a little card, a little note to your niece. I'm gonna go ahead and bend it. And we're gonna add it through the back. And look at how perfect that is. Oh, that one, look at that. That one is really nice. And I wanted to touch, there you go, the ground of the basket. So you guys, I hope you could see the basket. Yeah, I'm thinking you can see it. Very good. Okay, that's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and add some more goodies, of course. I also went to the dollar store and when I got the notebook, I got from the gel pen. And this is the little donut one with the sprinkles. I thought this would be very cute, especially with this whole like pink mermaid theme. And when I was walking around, I also found this hair comb. I love to use this one. Guys, have you tried this? This is amazing. If you don't want your hair to fall off or get damaged, use a wide comb like this to detangle it. And they have so many cute ones at the dollar store. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, and if I do find more, I'll post a video just to show you. So I'm gonna add the hair comb right there. Now, since I had the hair comb, I thought it would be really cute to add some hair products. But of course, you know, we're running out of space. So these are perfect. This is the Swab Gel Defining Cream. Her hair is curly. And this is the coconut oil and sea butter. So this is nice. Let me see this. Yeah, this is really nice. So this is the this is what it's gonna do. It says deep moisturize coconut oil helps fight frizziness, reduce breakage, and enhances shine. So this is really cool. These are just little packages so she could give her hair a boost. You know, we all need it once in a while. It's nice to give your hair a nice boost. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her both. Just like that. That fits perfectly. So we're almost at the end. What else can you give a teenager that they always need? Money. So I made this cute little money holder, and I thought it would go great with the colors. And at the end it says hugs and kisses. I have a video if you want to go check it out. These are affordable to make, and the money fits under perfectly. Let me show you. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then you just give it to that person, and they're gonna love it. They're gonna know exactly what's in there, and they're gonna be so happy that you did. So we're gonna put the money holder right there. So the money fits in there perfectly, and the basket will not fall. So don't be scared because you put it sideways. Doesn't mean anything. Look at how cute this basket is looking. So let's go ahead and wrap up this basket. This is a perfect gift for a teenager. Let me tell you, if I had that when I was young and one of my aunts gave me that, I would be so happy. So these bags, I ordered them on Amazon. I left the link on one of my videos. I can't remember which one, but if you do want to know where they're at, these are perfect. Let me tell you, if you go ahead and grab these containers are from the Dollar Tree. So if you go ahead and pick these up, I picked up like 60 of them because I put my vinyl on there to personalize them, and these bags are the perfect size for these containers. You can order them smaller, but I suggest the size I picked up is perfect. I already did the research for you, like always. And this is what I came up with. This is the perfect size for that basket. You can go ahead and try a different size, and if it works more fitted, go ahead and let me know. I would love to know. But so far, I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it and put it in here as nice as I can. So let's go ahead and do that. Now the bags are long, that is true. If you want to go ahead and order them a little shorter, it's up to you. I always use my scissors and I cut them down anyways, because that's what I like to do personally. But look at how nice it's gonna fit. So yeah, you can go ahead and actually, if you find a better size, let me know. Because I think these come a pack of 30 for like $6 or something like that. Like they were really affordable. That's why I end up getting them. And it made so much sense at the time. So what I do is I pinch it in like a gift. I bring it to the back and I tape it in. So it's like if I'm wrapping a gift. You saw how I pinched that in? I'm gonna do the same thing to the next side. If you need more tape, go ahead. Add more tape, add less tape. It's up to you, it's optional. But I'm gonna do the same thing. And I'm gonna tape it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and tape it as well. So go ahead and use your tape anything you don't like down, and then turn it around. Look at how pretty that looks when it's turned around. Now I could have pinched that better, but I don't want to mess with it now. So let's go ahead and do the top. Now for the top, I always have a little secret that I share with you, and everybody tells me that it helps them out. They didn't know before, and I get a ton of emails and DMs about you guys thanking me for the tip, and I am happy. I even had somebody who does professional baskets thank me for the ideas that now she uses. So guess what? That makes me super happy. So let's bring this up because I'm going to show you the top and what I do. So you see how it has all this extra? It's not bad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it. So make sure you have your ribbon ready. I'm going to use this ribbon from the dollar store and this beautiful like champagne color. So make sure you have enough at least to make a bow. It's better to have more ribbon than not to have enough. So usually my ribbon is pretty long. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it in the middle, and we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to crunch it right there. We're going to crunch it. We're going to grab our ribbon. Maybe I overdid it with the ribbon today, but that's okay. Once you have it exactly how you want it, pull the ribbon, and we're going to just tighten the neck. We're going to grab it, and we're going to make a beautiful bow. And that's exactly why I use a lot of ribbon. Look at how beautiful that just falls. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks like bunny ears. Okay, so this is what I do with the top. I cut a third off. Why? Because if you don't cut a third off the top, by the time you give this basket to whoever you're giving it to, it's gonna crush down. This is way too much of weight on top of a gift basket. You need to cut it down. Once you do, just fluff it up, and it looks like you didn't even cut anything. And look at how that is gonna look. And then you have your beautiful, and I'll give you a close-up right now of the basket. So here is the close-up. Look at how cute that looks. I love the personalized decal on there. I actually make them, so you know, I'll leave my information down below if you need one. I would love to make one for your birthday basket, but look at how cute that looks. And I think it came out super adorable. I hope you guys make one. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you made it. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I'll leave that down below. And make sure you hit that bell so next time I make a basket, you can be part of it. And until next time, bye you guys.